Okay, now in this experiment we're going to actually recreate a weightless environment very close to the surface of the Earth. So essentially simulating what it's like up in the International Space Station. So here we've got a container, some little bath toys. I'll explain why I've chosen those in a minute, and a feather. So also what we are doing is recreating the hammer and feather drop experiment performed by the crew of Apollo 15 on the surface of the moon. So I'll put a link to the video down below. So a hammer and a feather were dropped on the moon and they both reached the ground at the same time, showing that Newton's second law was in operation. That's F is equal to ma, and with the feather on the moon there's no air friction to actually slow it down as there is on the Earth. Now the reason for choosing a little bath toy for the experiment rather than a hammer, there's probably good health and safety reasons for not choosing a hammer. These are nice and safe. It's not going to hurt me at all. Now the reason for choosing a little plastic fish is that fish are neutrally buoyant, so they don't have to sort of struggle to get down to a lower depth, and that's because their weight is counterbalanced by the buoyant force, by the hydrostatic pressure difference across the fish, kind of lifting it up. Now for a weightless environment, the best place of course is in space, going around the Earth in a free-fall orbit. The second best place is in a place like the Vomit Comet, like we've seen the video in the class. And the third best place is actually floating in water with neutral buoyancy. And NASA have got their neutral buoyancy lab in Houston, Texas, where astronauts actually practice procedures that they're going to do on the International Space Station before they actually get up there. They're down this big deep tank of water, and there's divers there to help them so they can do the training. So that's the reason for choosing this.